What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Cadillac XT6 with me here today, and I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, you're going to use your steering wheel buttons right here. You're going to use left and right and the wheel button as enter. Okay, so looking at the cluster, what you need to do is either scroll left or right, and what you need to do is you need to get to the I, or the information menu right here. And once you're in the information screen or whatever, scroll down till you actually get to the oil life. All right, so this one's at 33%. We just changed the oil. We need it at 100. All you got to do is press and hold the wheel button down. You hear the car beep, and it will reset to 100%. It's that easy. If we go down again, we can get to air filter. If you need to do the air filter too, press and hold it down. Resets to 100%. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and it was. I could really appreciate it if you just leave me a comment or hit the like button, and hope to see you in another video.